òṣìṣẹ́ ń gbádùn. Àkànṣe iṣẹ́ ń lọ níletò síletò lẹ́kìtì. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn tún wà lára pẹ́dẹ́pẹ́dẹ́. Oyebanji báwo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí. Àbáyọ̀mí Oyebanji báwo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí. Bí ọdún àsìkò ẹ̀rọ ọ̀run gbogbo òṣìṣẹ́ ń gbádùn.
Your Excellencies, leaders of All Progressive Congress. My name is Ayo Peter Fayose Oshokomole Ekunoke Erumole Donde Dollar Fry. I won't take your time because some people are somehow uncomfortable, but I will make them comfortable. Let me, on behalf of this good, fantastic gathering,
of Ondo State, our neighbor, our brother, and a friend, Governor Lucky Orimiso Ayedatiwa, Governor of Ondo State. Shall we put our hands together and say, welcome, sir? Thank you for joining us on this endorsement program. Oti Datiwa, Odiroru. You are welcome, sir. He is here to join us in the endorsement of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Governor of Ekiti State for a second term in office. That is our able and amiable Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Governor Lucky Orimiso Ayedatiwa. What a name that speaks towards destiny. You are welcome. Orimiso too. Me. Your Excellency, our own Oshoko can continue in his speech. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We welcome the Governor of Ondo State. On behalf of these very good people of Ekiti, I want to join all well-meaning Nigerians, particularly Ekiti people, Ekiti leaders and followers, to endorse publicly, without reservation, the President and Commander of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for second term. And equally, because that is the reason why we are here, and to endorse our own governor, humility personified, our own governor, Abayomi Oyebanji, and his deputy, bow for second term. Your Excellency, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Let me equally say this gathering is unique. This gathering is unique. This is the first time Ọ̀gbẹ́ni má pariwo. Gómìnà ni gómìnà ń jẹ́. Old model and new model. Your Excellencies, This is a unique gathering because all the former governors of these states, the leaders of these states, the National Assembly members of these states, all the people that matters, unanimously, including myself, Oshoko, without hiding anywhere, I'm not a member of his party, and I will never be. Stand here to say that I am the record holder. Fayose, I am the record holder of the results from the elections. I defeated the last person. I don't mention names. I'm a gentleman. In the whole of the 16 local government areas, 16. But they do not want 158 wards. I defeated them roundly. What they congratulate me. Ṣùgbọ́n mo máa bọ́ gbogbo yẹ̀yẹ́. Màá bọ́ sọ́run báwo. Who will for the first time again become the record holder to win in all the 16 local government of Ekiti and win in all the 177 wards of Ekiti? That is taken for granted. But when we get to the field, we will contest and we will see each other on the field. I want to commend him, to everybody, to please do your best to make this election a reality. One thing that warms my heart the most is the presence of Engineer Segun Oni. Engineer Segun Oni is the icing on the cake, coming to put us all together by Governor Bao to face tomorrow for our state. It's a good thing, and it will be a model for all states in Nigeria. I equally congratulate all the DCAMPs. I congratulate all the DCAMPs. They should keep decamping. It's a good thing. As long as this government returns the second time, it doesn't matter how many DCAMPs comes over. Except myself, I'm coming nowhere. But we will continue to support this man. But I must be quick to add this. APC kì í ṣe PDP o. APC o kì í ṣe PDP. Àwọn leader ló ń control APC o. Tó bá ti ní kó jòkó, tó ò bá ti jòkó, wọ́n á fi ẹ́ sí reserve bench pẹ́ o. PDP ó lè lọ náà yàn lókun lọ́rùn báyìí kó ṣáà ti débẹ̀. Àwọn eléyìí kì í gbarú ẹ̀ o. Wàá tò ní o. Kéèyàn má rò pé òun ti já síwájú kó má wà nílò dúró sẹ́yìn o. Ẹgbẹ́ wọn ṣe rí nìyẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń to nǹkan wọn bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwa náà ò bínú. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó bá ń bọ̀ kó máa rò dáadáa o.